How you doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. We're going to show you here how to replace the seat on the Think V1. So here I have the seat with the foam fabric and pad already removed. So I have it looking like this right here. So what we're going to do to remove this seat is we're going to look at these two black clips, one on either side. All right, first up, we're gonna make sure we have our seat in the forward position by grabbing the seat slider. Pull it all the way forward till it stops. All right, we're gonna go back to these black clips. We're gonna pull up with our thumb until we see it rise up just enough to pass by the lock right there. All right, we're gonna do that on both sides. We're just gonna kind of shimmy the seat off. All right, so I was able to kind of just jiggle my way while holding these black clips up and while simultaneously pulling the seat forward to get the black clips over the metal plastic lock piece. All right, so from here, we'll just go ahead and pull the seat all the way off. Alrighty, so here's what it looks like underneath. These are the pieces right here we're pulling up. Alrighty, so let's take a look right here. So once you receive the seat, it should look like this with the foam pad already assembled. We can slide the seat on this way right here. If you're having trouble and you need to see better with this foam pad removed, all you need to do is grab underneath here and you'll see this foam, this J channel right here is just locked in under here. So you should receive the seat looking like so. And if you need to remove the foam pad off the seat to see better, you'll just go ahead and grab underneath here and just kind of remove that J channel a little bit until it pops out. Alrighty. And now you can install the seat. All right, so from this position, we're gonna line the seat up here onto the glides right here. And that's gonna go right under here into the seat. Right here and right here. 2 grooves, line right up. So we're just gonna get it started on one side. All right. Kind of holding your glides in place so they don't fall off. All right, once we feel good with the seat on, we're gonna grab the seat slider and push backwards until we feel it lock in. Now we're gonna come back to our black clips right here. We need to lift up one more time while pushing the seat backwards until you hear it lock into place. Then you can test to make sure it's in there by grabbing the seat slider. And you should be able to lock it into multiple different locations. Alrighty, so if we're all set here, we can go ahead and flip over the foam pad. And I'll get a view of just installing the J channel right here into the slot on the seat frame. And we should be all set. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.